This one is rectangle tool. These are shapes but very useful. We use in different, you know, things. Like if you click shape and then see, this is the shape now. If you press and hold shift, it will make a square shape. Otherwise, it's a rectangle. You can fill with same thing like pen tool. You can fill with color. You can fill with gradient, or you can fill with pattern. Okay, this is stroke, that is outline color. Outline size you can increase from here, see. Okay, same, the next is a rounded rectangle. Here is a small rounded radius, you can see, which you can control from here. Like see, if you add here 50, so now it's 50. If you add like 100, it's 100. Okay, same, the next is ellipse tool. If you press and hold shift, it will make a circle. Otherwise, you know, it can be an oval or ellipse also. Okay, you can change the color, see, pattern or gradient, any other thing. Then the next is polygon tool. Here you can see sides are 7. So by default polygon sides are 5. Like see. Then you can fill with color or any other thing. You know. Okay. Line tool is simple line tool. Used for different purposes. It's a line, you know. Stroke you can apply and stroke you can increase. Oh, we are in wrong shape, sorry. This line, see, stroke like black, you can increase. Or this one, see, white you can change from here, see, from here, okay. So this is line. The next is custom shape tool, which I told you. There are different shapes, hundreds of shapes you can use. Okay, let's say this one. Okay. So these are all shapes tools.